In this video, I'm going to show you how we can extract text from an image. And all this, we are going to use this new free to use AI tool called DeepSeek. DeepSeek is one of the best AI tools that is being used to do a variety of things. And one of the things that you can do with DeepSeek is to extract text from an image. So I have here an image, as you can see here. It is an image of a text. And we would like to extract this text so that we can edit them, we can copy and paste them elsewhere. And one of the best free tools that we can use is DeepSeek. To get started, just go and log in with your email account. And then once you are here, there is this feature, the small file icon that you can see here. And if you read at it, you see text extraction only. So when we upload documents or images, this tool should be able to extract text from the image. And we are told that it can do up to a maximum of 50 of them. So I'll go ahead and select my image, and this will take me to my downloads where I'll get my image file. And here is the screenshot. So once you have selected your image, click on open, and then it will be uploaded here, and extraction has begun. And here we go. So here it is, and let's click on generate and see what will be generated. Now extract the text. I've just instructed this tool to extract the text from the image. Let's see if it will do that. And look at that. Like a lamb to slaughter. The last sentence, this is in December, yes, and the last word is his or her world. Let's go and compare with our image and see if indeed the words were extracted. And indeed the words were extracted. As you can see, the headline, everything is as it was on our image. So this can extract any file size, and you should just go ahead and upload your file and you will be good to go. So the first thing it did was to explain to us what is in the text, and it did very well. And then I asked it to extract the text, and it went ahead and extracted word by word. So this is one of the best tools you can go out there and experiment with. If you have been working on documents and you wish to extract their text, go ahead and use this tool. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.